there's our new place. Somehow we've got to get into that very steep ramp. Okay, so back today, and we did get our car in, so gonna give a little apartment tour. So you can start here. There's two ways to get in, but we're gonna go in this way. This is our carport, and it's hard to see, but like it actually is really steep. I don't know. You'll have to just take my word for it. It's incredibly steep. So you always get your steps in when you're in Sayulita. So we have another set of steps. Also nice that we're a little bit further from the main street. Nice little garden entryway here. And then you come into another gate. And then you will see our apartment is on the left. And then on the right, well, those are our boards. And then it goes up to our rooftop, which we'll go to in a second. Okay, welcome. Here's our apartment. First room is our bedroom. You can see we've got Bonita stuff set up. We've got a TV. And we actually spent most of the morning setting up, and there is a lot of storage. Most of our stuff fits, actually all of it, which is great. We also have a bunch of hooks behind this door. Nick loves a hook, so that means we're all set for this bedroom. We've also got an air conditioning unit, which is going to definitely come in handy. Now coming into our bathroom. This is so tiny compared to last year's, but everything's kind of fitting for now, and it is gonna do the trick. Hi! Now entering our living room. We've got a second TV here in the living room, as well as a huge sectional. So lots of lounging space. And in the corner, we've got that Wi-Fi fiber optic, which will make us be able to work remotely. And then of course the kitchen. The kitchen's a lot bigger and more functional than last year. We've got this peninsula coming out. We've got a gas range stove, as well as this apartment came with a lot more appliances. We have a blender, a microwave, a coffee maker, and the best part is that we have filtered water that comes out of this tap, which means that we don't need to pay for water and our landlord doesn't need to drop any water off. In true MTV Cribs style, we did actually organize our fridge, so it's very cute. We got tons of veggies today. We have lots of beverages, all the oat milk that you can dream of, some green juice. And then come out here to our patio, which is really cute. We have a great view. And we have this little deck set up, which is super cute. We actually stayed last year, if you can kind of see, like across the way, that green building. We stayed there at Casa Rosa, and it was really great, but this just feels like more of an apartment. You can probably hear, the construction. There's so much development happening here, but it's pretty quiet. Like when I actually close this with the sound, it's pretty quiet. It's not bad. So just coming through. Here's our rooftop. We've got more seating over here. Oh, hey, Nick. Hey, Bonita. And then we've got a big open space here where we will probably do a little bit of cleaning up. The birds have had some fun here. And then hopefully do some yoga, as well as maybe some sun tanning. With protection, of course. You can see across the way we've got Villa Rosa, that big green building. And then this is the street Libertad, so right in the south end. So you're probably wondering what this all came to, and I will put a graphic sharing everything. But all in, it was $1,300 USD plus cleaning weekly. And to me, that feels like a pretty good deal. But what do you think? Let me know below and stay wavy.